at the end of the day, the Philip Kotler awardee, i.e. the Prime Minister, as you are referring to him again and again, is not the person who has to perhaps conduct the negotiation. Negotiations will be conducted by union ministers. There'll be a system. There has to be some kind of a body which has to conduct these negotiations. But Avik Saha, are the farmers also keen on to come to the negotiating table with an open mind? The government has said we are ready to do this clause by clause. We are ready to look at clause by clause. What more is the government supposed to do? You are also not willing to come to this negotiating table with an open mind.
No, Rajdeep, that's factually incorrect. I wrote the letter to the Prime Minister, an 8-page letter, explaining what is wrong. And this letter is somewhere at the beginning of November. I can't remember the exact date. When there was no response, we announced this program on 26th and 27th in Lichalo. So at every stage, the farmers have been acting in accordance with set procedure. We will let you know what the problem is. We will announce an agitation. We will give you time to respond and react. And then if you don't, what choice do we have but to sit
but
in
because
4
you are
degrees?
also taking a maximalist position, saying repeal the law or else. You are not willing to accept any kind of discussion on clause by clause.
Rajiv, that's just my point. This is not the maximalist position. This is the minimalist position of the farmers' organizations known to the government more than 30 days before the Delhi agitation started. So this is not a surprise. This can't be a surprise unless there's nobody in the government to read letters and emails.
Can I ask you?
My position is...
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead. My position is, go ahead.
My position is that these laws are contrary to the government's requirement to announce and enforce MSP. There is a lot of confusion. The BJP spokespersons keep saying that the government cannot buy everything. Has never said that. The farmer's position is, you are the government, you have to declare MSP and you have to create an environment where we can get MSP. And Sudhanshu...
one minute, Avik Saha, it's not so simple. You want the MSP to be a legal right. You want it to be legally enforceable. That is a very difficult thing for any government to do, to put it in the letter of law.
Oh, then how does the government ensure that you can buy toothpaste on MSP? That's also a very difficult law. It has to be implemented for 135 crore people across God knows how many crore shops. I am a producer of a primary requirement called food, without which life doesn't survive. And I want a price for my food which you have determined. You have set up a commission, you have determined the price, and you do not want to give a legal guarantee for that price. Then why did you set up the commission?